Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all the students. Today we are going to start our text syllabus, and for that we are here and now. Our online classes have started. Let's move on. Assalamu alaikum. The first chapter of our textbook is The Voice of God. It's a poem by Lewis I. Newman. Now, Lewis was a Jew, and he was born in Providence, Rhode Island, in the United States. He's the author of many books on religious subjects. This poem brings out his religious bent of mind. Now, bent of mind means his inclination towards the idea. So he was a religious person, and he has written this poem. And now about the poem, we see that sometimes like in this, you are seeing on the screen the 4 lines that has been written. These are called a stanza. Now if the first one, the one line is called a verse, and if there are 2 lines and a topic is discussed in 2 lines, that is called a couplet. Now please stop the video here and read this poem, this stanza, and after a while I am going to read it for you. Okay. I sought to hear the voice of God and climbed the topmost steeple. But God declared, go down again, I dwell among the people. Now, let's discuss what is the poet trying to tell us. So, first of all, we are going to take the difficult words and we are going to see what are the meanings. Sought. Now the first word is sought. Sought means it's the past participle of seek. Seek means to find, to look for. So the poet is saying that he was looking for the voice of God and climbed the topmost steeple. Now what's the steeple? Steeple is a tower. Mostly it is on a church where there is a bell, and it's called a bell tower, and it's quite high, and on top of it sometimes there is a cross or something quite tall is there. So the poet is saying that he to find God, to reach God, he did very hard work, and physically he climbed the highest point he can see, and in other words, in a figure of speech, we can say that he did his hardest, he worshipped, he seek God. When we love somebody, we want to be in his presence, and when we see that we cannot be with God, we want to have a talk with him. We can say that because he was a Jew, there is a reference of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, who was honored by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that he was able to talk to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So he was looking for Allah, and he was reaching out, and he did his best by worshipping, and even physically he reached out to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But God declared. Now the word declared means that something that is said as a statement. It is it's not just a conversation, but it's a statement, it's an order. So the God said to the poet that go down again, I dwell among the people. This means that the God said to the poet, or the poet is giving us the concept that if you want to find God in true sense, we need to be with the people. There is a hadith in which the essence of that hadith is that Allah subhanahu wa, all the human beings are a family of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and when people do good things, so Allah is pleased with that person who could do good with the fellow human beings. So in this, the poet is giving us an idea that if you want to reach out to God, if you want to be closer to God, if you want to be in presence of God, so you should be among the people doing good deeds to them, taking care of them, your family, your friends, your relatives. There is a concept in Islam that there are two types of deeds. One is the prayers that we do for Allah's sake, and then there are good deeds that are related to human beings. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is very happy when a believer take care of his family, his friends, his relatives, and that makes Allah most happy. Now let's move on. I hope you have understood this. Now there are word meanings, so you're going to write these 4 words: sought, steeple, declare and dwell in your notebooks in 2 columns. Write their meanings according to the context. That means the words have several meanings, but you are going to find the meaning that is according to the context. Then answer the given questions. Question 1 is, why did author climb the steeple? So we know, we have discussed that the author climbed the steeple to reach out to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to reach out to God, to be closer to God. And why did God tell him to go down again? In this, the question, we have discussed the answer previously, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells the poet that if you want to be with me, if you want to reach me, you should go back to the human beings, do good to them, live among them, and do your duties. This is how you can reach out to Allah in the true sense. And the third one is, say in your own words what you think is the message of this poem. So this you have to do, we have discussed it, and I hope you understand it. So do the above given task in your notebooks and upload for checking. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.